Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm Maryann. This is Sisters MIEE. Today we will be building the Jimu Astrobot Cosmos kit. Let's open it up and see what's inside.
Open that thing. Oh my god. This is fun. Open. I like that one. Okay. How do we open this maybe?
Wait, let's see what we should.
Man, which one should we build?
I want to do the Astrobot.
No, put it from here.
I want to do the Astrobot.
Yeah, this one.
What do you want to do?
Astrobot.
Okay, let's open it. How do we open the thing, Daddy?
Okay.
Let's open it.
Wait. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
I think we open it from this side, don't we?
Wait. Oh my god, what is it?
So it has this. I think it's instructions. It came with a bag. Okay, wait.
How do you take this stuff out?
So here's a green box.
Here's a blue box.
A wheel and something.
And here's
And whoa.
and here's the orange box.
What's this
What's in this orange box?
We already opened it, didn't we? This is one sliding out. I think it is.
Wow. What's this? Let's see what's in these boxes. How do you open these tiny boxes?
Oh, that was easy.
How did you do
There's
that?
some black things.
A table. This is going to be our table. A nice table.
Ooh, some orange, white, and gray.
Our table is set.
No.
Yeah.
That isn't there. Okay, that's all.
I'm just kidding. This is not our
Let's
table.
see what's inside this green box. Ooh, we have
There.
some of these.
Is this? Is this a camera?
I don't
Or
know.
this is
We have
eyeballs?
a few of these
Kind of
pieces.
put this together.
Well, I don't think they're supposed to go together.
Eyeballs.
Oh, another eyeball.
How do you turn this eyeball on?
Well, we have to wait till we finish building it. And then 2 more of these black things.
Oh my god.
Now
What's
let's see what's inside this
How do you
blue
do that?
thing. We have a cord
Wow.
and some other stuff.
This smells like pumpkin.
Why are you smelling it? And a gray device.
What great device? A tracking device. Ooh.
Let's open this bag.
Oh, that's stickers.
Well, I don't think they're stickers.
Open that thing up.
I think
Ow.
they're supposed to be. Oh, here's some the stuff.
Ooh.
Is this the inside?
I'm a idiot.
Oh, here's some other stuff.
Ooh.
Okay, let's save this for the last part because I think this is
How you
when
turn
we're
on
supposed
these
to
eyeball
control
things?
it. Okay, where do I put this?
What are you doing, girl?
Now, we opened everything and separated the parts. As you can see, in here are the bowls. The instructions are in the Jimu app. So we have an iPhone ready to go. Let's get started. Let's start with build. We have this one, and then we're doing the Astrobot. Yeah. Okay, let's wait for it to load.
Oh my god, that's so fast.
That was fast.
Okay, now I think
Please use Servo ID01.
Let's check.
ID01.
Hi, I'm Isabel.
ID01. Where's ID01? Oh, yeah, this one.
I'll
Okay. Check. app, we finished assembling the Astrobot. Connected it to the iPhone. We are going to see who can move the cups. So we're going to use this robot to move these cups onto the other. So I'm going to be doing this part where the purple cup onto the pink cup with the robot. And then Belle will do the green cup on the pink cup with the robot. But I'm going to go first so
I can watch and I'll learn.
So she can see and then I'll teach her.
No, you can't teach me. I'll watch it and I might know how to do it.
Well, I should teach you first.
I know how to do this.
Okay, let's
Try. Okay? Careful. Please don't do it fast. Because I'm gonna. Can you please pull me out? Because. No, careful. Yes. Wow!
Okay, vote.
Okay, my turn.
You try. So this
I know how to go front. I know how to go.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, how do you do that? How do you do that? Okay. Now. Uh-oh. Ow, my hand.
Why don't we move it this way? So
Okay. Go. Okay. How do you do? Okay, now how do you put it back? I can't put it. Now how do you drop it? Oh. That was easy. Woohoo!
So there's like a bunch of these actions that we can do, and we can make our own if we want. And then let's try stretch. Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Now let's
Try angry.
try angry.
Oh my god, it's useless. That's so not good.
Now let's do boxing.
Boxing.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Ooh, hug.
Hug.
Little hug. Happy.
And that's a little bit like angry.
Clap.
Whoa! Now I've been clapping all the way.
Clapping.
Sleep. How about the... Oh, that was clap.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Oh, it's singing.
It looks like you're working out. And here's like, open, play. What are you doing?
That's a long dance.
Do any more?
Is that pass? Oh, that's pass. That's the Astrobot Cosmos kit. There's a lot more to do with this robot, but we don't have enough time today. Maybe in another video, and if you like to see that, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And get a huge thumbs up.